Writing SEO content for your website is like preparing a delicious dish that everyone wants a taste of. It's all about mixing the right ingredients to satisfy both your audience and search engines. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the kitchen of SEO content creation, shall we? Know your crowd. First things first, you've got to know who's coming to dinner. Understanding your audience is like picking the right spices. It makes everything better. Ask yourself, what are they searching for? And what problems can I solve for them? This way, you're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. Keyword research, the main ingredient. Now, onto the main ingredient keywords. These are the flavors that make your content stand out in the vast sea of the internet. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush are your best friends here. Look for those golden keywords with high search volume but low competition. It's like finding a truffle in the woods, rare but rewarding. A pinch of creativity. With your keywords ready, it's time to add a pinch of creativity. Your title and headings should be like the aroma that draws people in. Make them catchy, but keep them clear. You want your audience to know exactly what dish they're about to enjoy. Quality content, the secret sauce. The body of your content is where the magic happens. It's the secret sauce that keeps people coming back for more. Write with your audience in mind, answering their questions and offering valuable insights. And remember, while keywords are important, stuffing them in like too much garlic can ruin the taste. Keep it natural and engaging, make it snackable. Ever noticed how snacks are irresistible because they're easy to consume? That's how your content should be. Break it down into bite-sized paragraphs, use bullet points, and don't shy away from adding images or videos. It makes the information easier to digest. Don't forget the call to action. The call to action CTA, the cherry on top. After serving up all that delicious content, you want to guide your guests on what to do next. Whether it's subscribing to a newsletter, downloading a guide, or contacting you for more information, make it clear and enticing. The taste test SEO tools. Before you serve your dish, you gotta taste it, right? SEO tools like Yoast SEO or Moz can help you ensure your content is just right. They're like your taste testers, giving you feedback on readability, keyword density, and other SEO elements. 8. Serve it hot, promote your content. Lastly, even the best dish won't be enjoyed if no one knows about it. Promote your content through social media, email, newsletters, and other channels. It's like sending out invitations to your feast. There you have it, a recipe for SEO content that's sure to satisfy both your audience and search engines. Remember, the key is to keep experimenting. Tastes change, and so do SEO trends. Stay curious, keep learning, and your content will be the talk of the town. Bon appetit!